Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically highlight the active row in Excel. So wherever your cursor moves, that entire row will light up instantly. Let's jump right in. First, open the Excel sheet where you want to apply the effect. Now select the range you want the highlight. Then go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. Next, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format, and type this formula. Click on Format, choose a fill color, choose a color, and click OK. Then click OK again to save your rule. Now, if you click around, you might notice nothing's happening yet. Right-click your Sheet tab at the bottom and choose View Code. In the editor that appears, select Worksheet and type target.calculate between private sub and end sub. Then close the window. Now click on any cell and watch as the entire active row highlights automatically. And that's it, a quick, simple way to make your Excel sheets dynamic and easy to read. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and automation tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.